This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Todd Swaney. Located in Bowling Green, this 3-bedroom plus den and 2-bathroom home is close to Sam Fleishman Regional Sports Complex and community heated pool, shopping and not far from the beaches. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, carport, storage shed with workbench, new air conditioner system installed March 2020, hot water heater 2018, fenced yard and so much more. Call today to schedule your showing. For more information, review the details below.